Let us now take up some examples of bioremediation and phytoremediation. The first example is of Pseudomonas bacteria. We have studied about this, and this type of bacteria is capable of clearing the oil spills that take place in oceans or rivers and even in soil. So if oil has spilled over the soil, then the water cannot percolate inside, and it will be making the soil infertile. So for clearing the oil spills, we make use of the Pseudomonas bacteria. So when we are making use of microorganisms for uh, preventing the environment from getting polluted, it is called as bioremediation. Fern Pteris vittata, it is used for absorbing arsenic from soil. So this is an example of phytoremediation, because here we are using a fern plant, Pteris vittata, and it has this property of absorbing arsenic, which is a dangerous chemical from the soil. Indian mustard plant, this is used for absorbing selenium from soil. Sunflower, the plant of sunflower is capable of absorbing uranium and arsenic. So these are again very dangerous. Uranium, we know that it is a radioactive material, and arsenic, again a hazardous chemical. Bacterium Deinococcus radiodurans. This is Deinococcus radiodurans. It absorbs radiations from radioactive debris. Debris means waste. So radioactive waste comprises of some radioactive material which can be very dangerous. So this radioactive debris, the radiations that might be given out of them are absorbed by this bacterium, that is Deinococcus radiodurans. Grasses like alfalfa, it is pronounced as alfalfa, clover, rye. All these are also used for phytoremediation. So we have one example of bioremediation, and the remaining examples are that of phytoremediation, because these are all various different types of plants which are used for preventing the environment from getting polluted. Here we have some information about cleaning of oil spillage in oceans. If oil spillage occurs, it adversely affects the marine life. Now, cleaning the ocean without any harm to the environment in cheaper way has become possible with the help of oil digesting and fast multiplying bacteria. So we know that these are Pseudomonas species bacteria which help in cleaning up the oil spills, and we have even one more species, that is Alcanoborax porcumensis. So both the microbes are capable of digesting the oil and cleaning the ocean that where the oil spill has occurred. And these are fast multiplying also. So if they multiply fast, in that case, the cleaning can be done even faster. Now we even have studied that these type of bacteria are called as hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria, and these have this property of decomposing the hydrocarbons. Now the oil is nothing but a hydrocarbon that comprises of carbon and hydrogen, hence it's a hydrocarbon, organic substance. And these hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria decompose the hydrocarbons and bring about the reaction between carbon and oxygen, giving rise to carbon dioxide and water. Indian-born American citizen and scientist Dr. Anand Mohan Chakravarty had for the first time suggested the use of such microbes. Naturally, the credit of this discovery goes to him. So it was he who first suggested that these microbes can be used for cleaning up the oil spills. So he holds a patent for this particular microbe. In the next few slides, I'm going to share with you some pictures. that show us the effects of oil spills. Now here you can see oil that has spilled over the ocean. This adversely affects the oxygen dissolving capacity in water, and this in result has an adverse effect on the aquatic plants and animals. Even the birds are affected very badly. So here we will see the effects of oil spills on birds. You can see how their wings have been covered with oil and they cannot fly. Collision of two ships, namely Khaleejia and MSC Chitra at Mumbai coast on 7th of August 2010. So there was a collision between two ships, that is Khaleejia and Chitra, at the Mumbai coast in 2010, and the collision resulted into spilling of containers and oil along the full coastline, and it was carrying tons of fuel, diesel, lubricating oil, and the ship capsized due to collision and sank into the sea, creating lot of damage. So this is the other one, that is Khaleejia.